Welcome back, people. In this video, we will create a website, and this time, this won't be only with HTML. We will also use CSS to make a layout and make it look better. So, what I have done is created a folder called My Site, inside which I'm going to add a HTML file and name it index.html. Also, add a folder and name it CSS. Inside the CSS folder, I will add a new file and name it style.css. Another thing, I have created a favicon which we will see about in this video. So let's go to index.html, create a boilerplate, give it a title, same title as we gave before, and inside this we have to give it a link to connect to CSS. So now we link the CSS file to the index.html file. Now let's look at favicons. Favicons or a favorite icon is the icon that you see on tab along with its name. For example, if you open YouTube in your browser, you will see a tab with YouTube icon and the name YouTube in the address bar. Let's go to our browser. So here you can see the icon of YouTube. This is called a favicon. Here you can see a symbol of F. This is also a favicon. If you open any other tab, you will see the tab with the sites icon and the name in it. That makes the website look better, isn't it? You can identify which website is open just by looking at the favicon. So, in order to add a favicon, go to your browser, search for favicon, and press on favicon.io. You will get this website. Here, press on PNG converted to ICO. So PNG is the short form or the extension for image, and ICO is the extension for icon. So when you click on this, close this. Yeah, you have a space where you can drop your images, and once it's converted into favicon, you can download it and use it in your website. So I already have the image. So let's go to our code. I saved it with the name of favicon.ico. ICO extension is for icon, as I said earlier. Now we are going to create a link, and this time this is for the favicon. So give it a name of icon, and a link is the path to favicon, which is in the same level as index.html. So just give the name. So now save it and open in your, sorry, not the default one, open in your other browser, Chrome. So now we have a favicon in the address bar. Thank you for watching. Do like, share and subscribe to Supporting Tech for more such content.